Welcome back once again. Now we are going to continue. Okay, so after this, we are done. So I will click here. Just click here, the WHMTS logo, and it will bring you to the dashboard. Okay. So now this is our front end now. If you don't like this one, you can just go through the process again, and yeah, you can just go through the process, and everything will be nice. In case you don't like any of these, okay. Later, I will show you how to edit all these, okay? Or you can just go with, if you look at mine, this one is very simple one, okay? Just welcome. But because I have a landing page and that one was built with WordPress, okay? And that is on CloudHost, okay? So this is the landing page and this is the WHMCS. So you can go by that. But for this tutorial, I will not take you through building of WordPress website. This is just about the WHMCS, okay? Yes. Okay, so thank you. Let us move on. So right now, before we can sell domain, we need a company that we can work with, okay? In fact, I have been working with two companies and there's advantage and disadvantage. Okay, so I'm going to make things clear to you so that you can base on that to decide. So the first one is Namecheap. Namecheap, okay? Yes, I have been reselling their domain. What I like about them is their pricing is very cheap when you're buying it for the first time, okay? Let's go to domain list here and let me take you through. Let's look at something. I don't know, maybe they are running promotion now and it may be cheaper. So as I said, now I think the last time when I checked, .com was around 10 points, 10 point something, getting to $11, but around 10.45 or so. Yeah, almost 10.5. Okay, yeah, 10.5. And now I think that there's promo going on, and now it's $9, so it's very cheap now. But you see, them cheap to me are very cheap. Okay, yeah. Now you just look at .org, $6, and you can sell this one around $12, which means that you get profit of about $6. Okay, yes. But what I don't like about Namecheap is that the renewal is too much. Look at the renewal, 16.98, almost $17. Now I am in Ghana. Converting the dollars to cities is sometime, I think it's dropping gradually. It's now 14.66. Now let's make it 16. It's 16 point what? 16.98, right? Yeah, 98. Let me check from here again. Yeah, .com is 16.98. And look at the amount that we are going to pay for that, for the renewal. That's 248. Let's say 249. Okay, getting to 250. So will you be able to add your profit? How much are you going to add as a profit for renewal? If you add $2, it will be around 18 points. Let's see. Okay, it will be 18.98. And we are talking about getting to 280, which is too much for just 1 year. Okay, that's the one thing about Namecheap. The renewal is too much. When you're buying it for the first time, it's okay, but when you are to renew it, that's where the problem is. So how do you want to go about it? Okay, let me give you a clue. You can decide to top up your account. You let your customers, meaning when they buy the products, the domain, you can just go with the Namecheap. Okay, you can go with the Namecheap. But after 1 year, when it is due for renewal, you have to be fast about it. If you are aware that your clients want to renew it, then you can switch the renewal to another provider. Okay. I don't know if you're getting it, but I will show you how to go about it. Then another company that I've been working with that they are very consistent. Okay. The registration fee and the renewal fee price is the same. But the registration fee is not as cheap as compared to Namecheap, but it's standard, and it's standard for both renewal, registration, and transfer. Let me take you to Connect Reseller. Good. Connect Reseller. This is the company. Let's go there. Okay. So first, let me take you to pricing, domain pricing. Okay, so let's check the price. For instance, .com. Okay, let me change it to dollars. Okay, yes. Okay, now let's look at it. Now, oh, it's here to change. Okay, now .com is 11.99. Okay, now Namecheap is 11.4 something. Yeah, the last time I checked, yeah, I think I bought it around 11.45 or so. Here is 11.99. That is almost $12. Okay, but it's fixed. Renewal too is the same thing, and then transfer is the same thing. Now let's do a rough calculation here. Let us add the two of them. Calculator. Let me see if I have lazy. Okay, let's go. Calculator. Okay, good. So we have 11.99 times 2, and that is 23 point. So let's say 24, right? Okay, good. Let me clean that. Let's go to Namecheap.com. Right now, as I said, they are running promo. That's why it's 9. The last time I checked, it was around 11.4. Yeah, it was 11.45. So this is just within a short time. So we will not consider this. Let's take this one for instance. So 11.48. 11.48 plus, and now the renewal is what? 16.98 plus 16 points. Sorry. 16. Oh, come on. 11.48 plus 16.98. Let's see. This is 28.46. But Connect Reseller was around which is 23 point something, right? Yes. Around 23 point something. So let's compare the two of them. So I don't know which one do you want to go for, but I will take you through the two of them, how you can connect to your WHMCS. Okay, so that is all. Just look at the price, compare the price. As I said, for now they are running promo. That's why you can see all this red color here. This is a promo, and it's cheap. It's quite cheap now. It's very, very cheap. Yes. Yeah. So that is all. Okay, so in our next video I will show you how you can connect your Namecheap to, but the Namecheap, they have a condition. Okay, if you are the first time, if before you can resell Namecheap to me, there's a condition, there's a clause one, that is, which means that you have been working with them for some time now. You have bought some domains, like I think about 10 of them, already or 5, if you want to know more, just go to their platform, contact their customer care, okay, live support here. They will give you more, like they will explain things to you, okay. You just let them know that you want to resell their domain on a web hosting server, and they will explain things to you. You want to use the API to resell domain, and they will explain things to you. And you can also do the same on Connect Reseller. You can contact them through live, okay. You can contact them and they'll also take you through. It's very simple and easy to do. So in our next video, I will show you how you can connect your Namecheap account. I already have account, so I will show you how to go about it straight away. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.